This seventh and last tutorial will finish up all the stuff in the drawings. So I can come over here to dimension. If I zoom in, I can select this fillet, and it'll give me the radius of the fillet. We put it as a 0.125. One of the settings in our drawing is to round everything to 2 decimal places. So I can put that fillet as 0.125 or 0.13, and same thing with the thickness here. I'm not sure how to modify this to 3 decimal places, but I'm sure we can look and find it. Well, the same thing, I still have the dimension tab, so I can click on this fillet, and it says that radius as well. And then I'll come down here to this view of my piece. I can show the height of this piece, that it's 3. And I already know it's 2. But it's okay, I can kind of do it again. It's going to do it, and say that's 0.175 to right before the fillet. So I don't know if I want to put that on there. That might not be helpful. Sorry about that. I don't know that putting that little dimension in there, that I'm not in the dimension tab anymore. I don't know that putting that 1.75 is going to be a helpful part of the geometry. So I'm going to escape out of that. We've already got this as 2.0. I wonder if I can move this down. It doesn't really link up with that one. There's probably a way to kind of put some dotted lines in there. But the whole idea with the projection is that this piece is projected this way, so if this is 2 inches, this has to be 2 inches as well. And then we come in here, I'm going to label this with my text as one of my bracket parts. And I think this is bracket number 1 for me. Make sure you just put whatever names you used in there. Okay, so you'll do that. I'm not going to do the rest of my parts. But once you have this, let's make sure that we save this. So we have to save this drawing. Save as, and this is just our wheel mount. I'm going to say that this is a wheel mount drawing. I'm going to save that. So I can come back here to sheet 1, and I can see that sheet 1 is my isometric of my entire assembly with all the parts labeled. Come over here to sheet 2, and it's my side plate. It's got an isometric view and then all of the dimensions I need. Come over here to sheet 3, double click to select it. It's got my top plate and dimensions, and it's just going to go on down the list until you have every single piece of your assembly. I'll go back to the first sheet, and from here I saved it. So this saves it as an Autodesk drawing file, but then we can also come up here to save as, to export, and I can export this as a PDF, and this is what we can go ahead. So wheel mount drawing is a PDF, so I'm going to save this, and then this PDF is going to have, oops, I just did the first sheet, my bad. So I forgot, when I come in here to export this as a PDF, when I export this as a PDF, I have to come down here to options and select all sheets. Otherwise it'll do just what it did and just pick the first one. So I want all sheets. I'm going to say OK. I'm just going to call it the same thing. It's going to replace it, and that's what I want. So now it brings this up. It's got 4 pages to my PDF. On the first page is the isometric drawing, and then 2, 3, and 4 are all the individual drawings, and you'll have a couple more pages with the rest. Okay, so this PDF with all its pages, this is what you're going to save, and this is what you're going to post to your student notebook as your Inventor project. So I hope this helps, and hope you guys got a good idea of how to start using Autodesk Inventor. Thanks, and have a great day.